Hello and welcome to Investor Info, where investing is made simple. For many years, crypto industry specialists have been working around the clock to create a digital asset, the largest cryptocurrency, that would be a one-stop solution for tackling all scalability, inter-tradability, and power issues. When Cardano ADA was coined, it put an end to all of the obstacles and inventive peculiarities surrounding cryptocurrencies. In today's video, we'll be diving into predictions of the cryptocurrency known as Cardano in the year 2022. Before we start, please know that the prices stated are accurate as per the recording of this video, but will very well change at any given time afterwards. Also, be sure to hit that bell icon. Now, let's get started. Cardano is a very young cryptocurrency that debuted in 2017. Their currency is called ADA, and it is the third generation coin following Bitcoin and Ethereum. The coin competes directly with other decentralized application providers for a more scalable, safe, and effective alternative. Cardano is a decentralized proof-of-stake or POS blockchain platform meant to be a more efficient alternative to proof-of-work or POW networks. The infrastructure load of rising expenses, energy consumption, and lengthy transaction times limit scalability, interoperability, and sustainability for POW networks like Ethereum. Charles Hoskinson, the co-founder of Ethereum's proof-of-work, or again POW blockchain, saw the consequences of these difficulties to blockchain networks and began creating Cardano and its principal cryptocurrency, ADA, in 2015, introducing the platform and the ADA token in 2017. He implemented key lessons learned from the creation of Ethereum's blockchain into the ADA currency and Cardano's platform. Cardano also provides smart contracts and dApps, two crucial components of cryptocurrency's future. Aside from that, it can securely store information for a large number of individuals, such as who authored something or who the data is about. The more coins that are utilized, the quicker ADA becomes. Furthermore, because it always employs proof-of-stake voting to reach consensus, there is no need for significant evidence via expensive power. In comparison to Bitcoin, ADA can handle 250 transactions per second. Aside from being environmentally friendly, ADA is now regarded as one of the most lucrative cryptocurrencies available. This is due to the fact that it consumes the equivalent of 2 power plants worth of energy each year. Despite the fact that this is a large amount, Bitcoin requires more energy than the Netherlands to run its operations. The Ouroboros consensus protocol underpins the Cardano platform. Ouroboros, which was developed by Cardano during its early stages, was the first POS protocol that was not only shown to be safe, but also the first to be influenced by scholarly academic study. Each development phase, or era, in the Cardano roadmap is based on the research-based framework, which combines peer-reviewed insights with evidence-based methods to progress toward and achieve milestones related to the future directions of the blockchain network and the ADA token's use applications. Platforms like Bitcoin and Ethereum have been supporting the use of blockchain technology in housing over the past year. Cardano, on the other hand, introduced its smart contract facility in September. As a direct rival to Ethereum, this has given Cardano an advantage in the market. Cardano announced a collaboration with Dish Network in September to provide 8 million digital IDs to their consumers. Cardano has established itself as a viable alternative to Ethereum. Both systems are used for comparable applications such as smart contracts, and both aim to create a linked and decentralized system. Cardano sees itself as an upgraded version of Ethereum, and has designated itself as a third-generation platform, surpassing Ethereum's second-generation qualifications. The blockchain platform also aims to provide financial services to the world's unbanked people. To understand the true growth of any cryptocurrency, it is necessary to compare its performance to that of other cryptocurrencies. Binance Coin is now ranked 3rd, after only Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cardano is now ranked 6th, with a promising potential for advancement. Cardano versus Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently worth more over $41,000, while ADA coins are at roughly $1.20. Bitcoin is the king of cryptocurrency, and due to its larger community, is a safer investment option. Many cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Shiba Inu grew swiftly following the Bitcoin rise. Cardano, on the other hand, is still in its early stages but will soon enable various decentralized apps. Cardano has a lot of profit potential thanks to the success of smart contract integration. Cardano may be able to provide you with big gains with a little investment amount in the long run, according to our Cardano price forecasts. Cardano versus Ethereum. Ethereum's current price is just over $3,000. Cardano has a dual-layer architecture, whereas Ethereum has a single-layer architecture. To put it simply, in Cardano, all settlements and computations are carried out individually, but in Ethereum, all token transfers, calculations, and settlements are carried out concurrently. Cardano's price will undoubtedly climb since its blockchain is capable of providing multiple applications, resulting in increased demand in the coming days. Cardano versus Binance Coin. The Binance coin is currently worth a bit over $400. Binance and Cardano are extremely similar in that they both employ proof-of-stake protocols, whereas other cryptocurrencies use the proof-of-work process. They do, however, differ in several ways. Cardano is still in its early stages, but once completely developed is predicted to make history in the crypto world. Cardano is substantially quicker than Binance in terms of transaction speed. Cardano only requires 5 to 7 minutes to conduct a transaction, whereas Binance requires 30 to 60 minutes. The primary uses of Cardano are identity management and traceability. The former application may be used to expedite and simplify operations that need data collecting from many sources. The latter use may be used to trace and audit a product's production processes from the point of origin to the completed product, possibly eliminating the market for counterfeit goods. With its price in early January 2022, Cardano has increased in value by 30 times since the beginning of 2019. When compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum, the Cardano cryptocurrency has witnessed a significant gain in value. One of the most popular cryptocurrencies has officially achieved 20 million transactions, according to the most recent milestone. This accomplishment indicates that they are now receiving the recognition they deserve. The Cardano platform has lately been chastised for its lack of advancement, yet the digital coin made significant achievements in November, reaching a daily transaction rate of 200,000 per day. After being founded in Hong Kong, the firm behind Cardano is considering expanding its blockchain to enable for more transactions. They are also aiming to increase scalability so that they can expand the network in a way that is both stable and capable of processing even more transactions. Now, on to what is expected of Cardano in the next year. Cardano's price might rise to $1.5 in 2022 and rise to $4.1 by the end of the year, according to our forecasts. By the end of 2026, it will have risen to $12.1 US. Based on the projections thus far, ADA has achieved great progress. Experts are anticipating specific breakthroughs in order for Cardano to acquire recognition and value in the next years. If this occurs, it will be worth 10 times its present value by 2022. CoinSwitch's predictions is as follows. Cardano forecast has generated an over 1,500% return on investment since its market introduction in September of 2017. Cardano price forecast shows that with a 5-year investment, the Cardano price will rise by 75.740523% in the ADA price value. This implies that the Cardano price is expected to be $3 in 2025. According to a Reddit community's Cardano price estimate, the coin might nearly double its present value, reaching as high as $2.9 by the second quarter of 2022. This benefit, however, will be temporary. A long-term growth is projected according to WalletInvestor.com's price estimates. In 2026, the average price is expected to be 11.334. The income is estimated to be about plus 719.52% after a 5-year investment. According to InvestingCube's ADA/USD forecast, the cryptocurrency price may be on its way to its next significant breakthrough. The important resistance levels to keep an eye on in 2025 and 2030 will be around $7 and mid-$20 respectively. As expected, these are only a few of the many predictions made by experts. Cardano is now trading in the $1.20 to the $1.50 range per coin. Although the digital token is now trading for a few dollars, it has the potential to become the next big thing in the cryptocurrency market. Consider Bitcoin. When it launched in 2010 for 8 cents, it is today worth 60,000 US dollars, and it started from the beginning as well. The cryptocurrency timeline demonstrates unequivocally that each digital coin has the potential to create news. For example, Shiba Inu recently ascended to the top without much fanfare, and even managed to temporarily flip the local meme coin, Dogecoin. This indicates that it is quite conceivable for new players with low valuations, such as Cardano, to follow a similar path. According to analysts, if Cardano achieves a breakthrough, its price might reach $100 US at the end of 2022. Enthusiasts believe that ADA is the next cryptocurrency that will shake up the market with its exceptional performance in the future. While numerous new cryptocurrencies and platforms are expected to drive the industry in novel and interesting ways, Cardano is expected to be at the forefront of this transformation. Cardano's price has increased by more than 7 times since the beginning of 2021, outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, its most significant achievement occurred last month, when the digital token reached a critical milestone of 20 million transactions. It eventually received the prominence and importance it deserved 4 years after its beginning. The Cardano platform has recently been chastised for its delayed improvements. However, the digital currency gained traction in November when it reached a daily transaction volume of 200,000. Following this, Input Outing Hong Kong, which is the firm behind Cardano, has considered enlarging each blockchain block to allow more transactions. Cardano is now aiming to maximize network growth and scalability, allowing the platform to process more transactions per second. And there you have it, folks. Now that we've discussed the predictions of the cryptocurrency known as Cardano in 2022, let us know in the comment section down below what your expectations are. Just like the whole crypto market, Cardano did not start off really strong, but we firmly believe that an uptrend is coming really soon. Remember to always do your research and make the most of your resources. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one. See you in the next video!